Yo, bless up, Rick Roots Media, Upful, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, chilling. Yeah, man, Justice the President, you know who I am. Justice Juvenile, Justice the Presidents in every residence. Rick Roots Media, man, let them know, hopefully, you know, bless the love.
Big up a virgin, Grandsman, real general over there, so you see, big up the general. All who know good reggae music, come back to your memories. Tell me that run things. Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. Fire M16.
When did you come up with the name Justice Song?
That's around 1994, you know. Yeah, Matt Cabra have a record named Justice, and we taxi with him. But man, always prepare for war. We have a justice, and we not left it far. Yeah, man, you know. Shot Stagger Lee, who a thief the cookie jar. Yeah, man, taxi with him. Yes, so. Big up to Matt Cabra. 1994, come up with the name. Justice.
True.
Yeah, man, they don't know now.
Yeah, check out
Grandsman Justice and I place. Yeah, man, no what this cut this Justice I run it back.
Justice the President in every resident.
In every resident, I can tell you something. Half hour. Son, tune the tune I play. I'm in the next son can't match up Justice no time at all. Right now, I just them people that sent to them food them. And them we are go for.
Which is right.
Which is right. And them boy they have to dead in I dance tonight. You hear that? Upful and
original Iron Voice.
yeah, man. No change. So now we're close. You see, man?
It's a Grandsman.
Yeah, man.
Justice song come again. Justice song come again. Booyaka.
Listen carefully.
I want to kill jumping. We got them on big selection. Justice song the number one song.
I'll tell you.
Justice song a champion. Yeah.
I will win.
Kill jumping. Got them on with good selection.
I'll tell you.
Justice song the number one song. Yeah. Justice you run the town.
Who's the tune first entry? I'm trying to tell you this Justice. At first time you come into the place. We don't pull up tune. If you pull up in tune, you cannot repair the tune. No indecent language. No. Anyway, Auntie, you know the rules.
You done get already. You done get already. You done get already. From the morning to the cemetery. One, I don't know somebody like you. I saw by four, some by
I said my job there already. Team just starts. Full out of here. Come give a song. Man artist, what's up with you?
Justice from teams again.
Full out of here.
So now go feel the pain.
It's somebody.
Justice from teams again.
You man.
We got that smile, cause we know where we need. Tonight is a drum time. Justice song.
Boy, NSV and Red Bull. That's the one that make you belly full. Yeah, man. True song. Definitely will come. Run the people sound of the town.
sound bombastic, hell fantastic. Someone try to test you know say that them too. Trust it, say me fantastic. Cause someone try to test you know say that we too. Cool, sound right you will. Idiot, some boy pop up and go chill. We are the don't play youngster. Don't think we feel nothing with the wicked selection. Shall know we too still. Oh me, oh my, well can't you tell? Wanna come in like some idiot calling out on a shell. We so captivate you, put you under with spell. Oh wicked dog.
Ah boy. Show vibes bombastic. Jamaica icon, Mr. Gregory Kusha Isaacs.
Jesse to the king of all down strong. So shall I feel. It's the for something small. So no some justice is afraid. It is the rule.
I will not good reggae music. Lord of the man said it done there already. My brother, tell him. Justice to press.
She got him squeezed. Die, so jump and sound. No, true heart, what are you? And then we sing it down the cemetery. Yeah.
Big up my virgin, Colin Roach. Inside the house, respect you, respect honor. You see, little while I'm gonna give him a Gregory. Why am I trying? Don't he know who I am? Lord of them! Let me introduce myself to him.
Justice at the bed. Full time to die. So I don't know already.
Let him.
Yes, the man want me.
What's that? What's that?
I heard step to me. You want me. Number one.
Easy justice. Too hard, congrats. Heart of a lion.
This is too hot, sir. I'm on Collingwood, sir.
Easy Collingwood.
True art, played by only true art. That means tell you. True art, let's get us on. Ready, set, go. I can see you now. Trying to hold on for so long. And if you feel you can just run. Come on. Oh, come on.
Big up True Vibes, my brethren. He's playing a lot of College Roach the singer, my friend, big up my artist too. But him can't frighten me with Colin Roach. Colin Roach an artist. He himself true one. He himself. Listen me Lord of there. Colin Roach. Listen to Colin Roach song. Colin Roach. Tell your friend Colin Roach. Listen, now pull up. When you pull up, you pull up. I can't tell you when not to pull up. Anyway, man,
True up, son. Each and every last of the cell. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. I'm gonna tell them, Norris. The way you kill themselves from deep down in my soul. I'm losing all control. And I can't find the feeling control. It's alright. My soul never died tonight. The feeling can only take. I put on all them feelings. So hard playing nice. Right now I sound wild. I'm losing life. We didn't know that's
Good show, vibes. Yeah man, we love reggae music and big up each and everyone that is here supporting reggae music. That's what I'm saying. Justice inside the building tonight is not gonna be normal. Frankie Dancehall Paul, Everton Blender, step up.
Untesting fears. Frankie Dancehall Paul, Everton Blender, no justice, don't worry yourself fears. Without no fear and no tears, Blender.
Let me not tell you, man, Frankie man, Everton Blender, man. I blessed love, man. See.
What you do to me, Ender?
Like tourists in the dance, tourists tonight, just killer sound. Tourists, tourists in the dance, tourists they are just kiss killer sound. Tourists, and if it's more than one, then we got it. Don't they style just kiss, yes we have it. And we will not
Frankie Paul,
identity.
Everton Blender.
I wanna say, this time, I did rolling down. Just kiss her. Of the yeah. So bring this fishy come come.
Do me a favor, man. Just catch the bass when me and play and leave it alone. Go. Yeah. Awesome, auntie. Anyway.
Soundboy, we'll take it to court for crimes of idiot tune. Big up True Heart. I'm a Bridget Monty. Cool to this. Oh Lord, somebody they been true and sound play this stuff. Soundboy, he was badly beaten, killed by Monty, battered by an irate soundman, searching for a dove that wasn't dying. We reached the dance, we got inside. The hand of justice shall preside over this dance. The trial shall begin. That man said the judge. Soundboy, you was inside the closet while reminding me own business, true heart, but a perfect stranger.
Yo, big up True Heart, man. I love him, man. Entertain. Hold on, and can I tell him something for me, please? Tell him this for me.
Give me up someone. Hear what I say, boy. I love is not the number one song of the day.
Let him know.
Feel it sound of the way they go.
Who more reggae music?
Pick it up someone.
Sure.
I just is not the number one song of the
I will set you guys there.
It's a play. I say yeah. I just
See what? That's your heart.
sound boy all over the place. Some boy crying that you are playing. Some boy in a trance. What must it do?
Big up Joe Hart again. You're a Christian though. Who will find love with? Father Lexus or Einstein? Wait a second, I know you. You have to think for yourself. You don't know who we find love with. You don't know that, you know. Kill me and kill people. Big up all of my friends that I'm going to see over the years. Big up all Sound Clash fanatics inside the building. I don't come here to come find no love. Nobody. Big up my virgin. Grandsman, real general over there, so you see. Big up the general. All who know good reggae music, come back to your memories.
Coming out running. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Light my fire M60.
Don't squeeze. Right now, I'll tell you. We love the energy. One of us if justice sound. One of us if man teach you hard. Alright. Easy. Yeah man, go on easy second. Take it.
I hear this! A true hard sound this thing. DJ Monty! I'm a DJ. You know what thing going on? Yeah. You know when I feel like a ram belly. You will put on the rhythm, because I have some boy, you know, do things different, you know. And do most. And Monty, you want to do them stuff? Sound of God and murder. I'm pistol whipping them, mugging and kissing and doing some things we never heard of. Yeah, murder. And I'll be wishing for the day that they will be missing from out of the world, yeah. Not on the further them. Man, I know the kids are not giving money, and I say, see me girl, yeah. When murder, you listen to her, then you're not going to murder. Remember, to what you know, them not normal to marry. Them not take that messages from nobody. When they sound this way, you know them are very. Send them to them and present them to them. See me when you know them true heart, so I hope I don't sound.
Big old true guys, so hard. You get one. Yeah, you might try hard. Give one, man. I'll hold you one. What? Two more. Well, go on. One of that song. Them man say, they say, I got another song to kill after this song also. We just work with the people, anything them say. You see what I say? Alright.
I must win cool tight, Michael Rosa Grammy keep there, I suit. Run the track.
Calm down. Security, come clear the backstage. Yeah, you are going there right now. You are going there. Justice, you're big in other place. Monty, you're big in other place. But Monty have a flight to catch to New York. So right now, Monty you're going to play final tunes. Because we have two mic man now. Anyway, Monty, play the tune. Watch your profanity, no curse. That's what I'm saying. Respect honor, big people thing. Scamadaya. Scamadaya. The man saying you have flight to catch. I believe it.
Run him a runway.
Like Martin.
Run him a runway.
Run him a run. All of the other people say run him a run. A lot of the people have sense in them.
And Calvin Bucko.
Yo, he can't check justice.
Calvin Bucko.
Here what we are going to do, you know. Here what we are going to do.
Someone test justice get killed. Yeah, man, that joke and that.
Walk to catch your flight. Walk to catch your flight. Walk to catch your flight.
Someone wants to go.
Justice the president, the real president. What? You're not gonna catch him. Yo, hold on. Yo, the man said flight cancel. The man said flight cancel. The man said flight cancel. They said you're not east. One thing. Play your final.
But don't get too friendly.
Let's go find out.
I hear the sound there over there, sir. I know this is not just my song coming and dance around, come and shake off the man. But don't get too friendly, because he's just a common mango trying to come into a East Indian mango tree. And it's different strokes, a different folks. Use a different strokes, so go and find your folks. You don't belong in the dance hall with decent sounds. And we come, the man called singing everything called the champion. Come again, the champion. Come again. And we not stop. Come again. Singing melody, step up.
Yeah, who I am, Justice the President in every resident. It need no explanation, it's already explained. Justice the President in every resident.
Are you I star uncle?
Justice the president.
Because the people that say scam and I'm finding guilty.
Trick them and try, trick the justice.
So what we are going to do now? We're going to bury him. Bury him. All I will say bury him. Say bury him.
Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build him back up. No, that's a mistake. Make them two.
One for too hard. One for time.
One for them selector, one for them Judge Martin. Can't you see that justice is taking over?
Pick up a like superstar. Dance man. Country spot. DJ Power. Police culture. Why Lord and you attack them? Respect our honor, man. Big up the virgin, true heart. Respect our honor. My brother. Maximum respect. Every time.
Real sport.
Yeah, man. Make some nice with justice, man. Listen, I listen to the man they say on YouTube. I listen to the man, them whole playlist when the man them play as a little man listening to reggae music. So make some nice with justice, man. Let me tell you something, man. Reggae music is about love. And all we have to spread the love. It doesn't matter we clash each other, it's a fun thing. But remember, you know, it's a lovely, wonderful gathering here tonight. And trust me, we can't have this in New York, you know. Remember that, you know. Justice, big up yourself, brother.
Yeah. We go back to the place. Right now we have a star pan. Different level, different content. Take it away.
Who would you say inspired you to be in the song business?
Well, the greatest inspiration of all comes from the Most High, you know. I am blessed with the talent, you know. I mean, it comes to talent of our money, you know. Talent of our bad mind, you see what I mean? I say? So we have to give thanks to the Most High, you know. But otherwise from that, you know, big up sound like Al Jarreau, yeah man, Black Star, yeah man, Jack Ruby. You see it, you know, jamming sound, you know. Yeah, you know. Yes, I see. Don't know a regular sound them. Yeah man, real ghetto youth will listen to music otherwise, and your body will listen to them, you know. Yeah man, to where we come have sound. So big up all that people that who set the trend before me. Let's carry on the tradition. That's what I say. And we are not the first one who came into sound production. So big up the people them before.
True. Alright. So when was the first time you clashed against a sound?
First time I clashed against a sound. Boy, you took me in the 80s. No, you took me back to Jamaica. When I clashed with all cassette and tape and all them things. From them days I clash, you know. Sports day, fret day, them kind of day, you know. Some day when you get to your dress and go to school and bring your radio. You kill sound in a schoolyard from them time, you know. So until this day, man. Many more come, them dead. You see it? You know, from school days, so. You have to go back, you know. And so much of them, I have to go back and say, oh, true. A lot of them were people even know about. And when we get old, and when we get young and really, a shot like that. Yeah, you know. And when we get like, you know, golden. You see what I mean? Say, yeah. Bless up to all of the sound them over the years.
We don't trust him for a night, you know, we have a family. So I go on. People are keep one eye on it. Keep one eye on it. You want to go on. From the heart to the people.
Justice is the best. Massive princess. Respect to Juvenile and Twin. Let it go select.
Justice the president.
Lord of the earth. Justice shall heal as long as he plays. As long as he plays. Some shall die. Some shall die. We not Original All-Star, alongside DJ Monster, DJ Dre and the Youth Culture, Kevin White Potato, Young Got No, let it flow, sweet reggae. So, this is a song, All-Star song proverb. This is a song, after time proverb. Hey, so, don't get what from a stone to my head. Never have it done a kill a stone. Hey,
yo, man, know what I'm doing. Stand and look at what I'm doing, sir.
You tell him to know. Believe say you're tough. If you have confidence, man, yeah, man, it's a must. You have to believe say you're tough to survive this video. You see what I mean, answer? real ghetto you. Bless up for yourself. What is the last artist that dropped out of reggae music? Who?
Justice! He's now the terrible boy, biggest song in the world. Justice!
You got people that want this, you know.
Again, I want to make friend. Kill song from 110. I start. Me up. Russia. Mercy, mercy, mercy. That is the one I play. I start sound. I play the play. Lord of mercy. So earthquake. With the music you must appreciate. That is the one I start sound, I kill some straight. Lord of mercy.
Yo, listen me. Come here, you out to do. Yeah, kill some. Yeah. Stop song, yeah. Bleeding. What I'm doing some high school, we go. Want to go. From my heart! Lord of you! Good night!
Justice! Step up!
Father John one called Killer Dre. Jonah Monster, you don't know the thing Monster is so afraid upon you.
Switching to Geico, really safe and fast.
Hey, John!
On the corner, built about that, no fully bond, no start, on the corner. No, I don't know what this says. You know, so I'm on the corner.
The place get hot now. Justice.
Oh, God, yes. 96 degrees. That's it, real hard.
Bushman represent the high star. Yeah, John, go and make myself in there, done, you know. Whoa, oh, yeah. Yeah, man, play them jump and some boy, you know. Whoa, high star. We shoot from afar, you know. Whoa. We go down by a brand we tell. Live down in Bristol.
Power. Let him get him power. For nation.
Justice to president, the real president.
Don't call I Star the
I Star is not the sailoring. It's nothing but a stand. No hat, no rules, no falls. I ain't got no cigarette, but I do hours of slaughtering style. Plain lady begin.
The man I used to sing with Bob Marley.
There's nothing. You see, you're
Police come. What does that have to do with me? You're too cold.
The boy them get caught in the death trap.
You're too cold.
Thousands of road that side.
The boy play a little culture, the cold. And I can tell Mr. Babylon there. Justice is here, boy.
In another place, get it culture. I want to supply politics, I want them. I star. What me do? Better come murder, they wanna them. Better come murder. I star them. Better come murder. Better come murder. Better come murder.
Forgive me.
You son, whoever this up. You know, die.
No. You know the things said, we can't make this mash up many things to come. No more tune. No. Alright, one tune. You take one. 5 more tune.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Ain't telling you, the president, I go there at all.
Yeah? What about people?
Justice the president.
Forgive me. Yo, wait there. Grand finale, Lord of the love.
Running selector coming up, wait for the tennis, the champions don't come kill them this year. And what them I go do now? No boy run away now. Better back up and leave now. Oh.
Yo!
I said, what them I go do now? Up on them box, them a pray now. No boy run away now. Struggle again, I just kiss in the area. Oh, murder again, a some boy get turned away.
Again, Bridget, on all the things said. Don't remember dance all the way it used to be. Brigadier Jerry Joseph, Sister Nancy Cuddy Roach, Bachelor Root, Anton Malvo, Spain Glen, Tango Fresh, Kilimanjaro, Pisces, so. Flush, check your father does first right, don't check it out. Send me to check it out. So anyway, Justice, it's a pleasure having you here tonight, my brother.
Fort Lauderdale, it's been a pleasure being here tonight working for y'all. Respect and honor. Over 10 years I haven't been in Fort Lauderdale. Tonight it's a joy to be here tonight. You can follow me on YouTube or SoundCloud. Big up iStar Sound and big up True Heart Sound. Father Alex, respect and honor. And each and every one who come out to support this event, my brother, respect and honor.
Justice the president.
27 years, but then
you know allow me and I knew it. So everybody live like that. This is Monty.
Anybody who want any credit in the world,
this is Monty.
if you want everything, this is bang bang. And bang. Bang bang. Cali Road.
There's the inch.
Yeah, but right here,
Iron scratch.
Stop tease.
how many out going now?
Justice deal with the thing, man. no bias. But I start to the whole I saw them there and the thing man. See president there.
They got the general man, a foundation, and the man a foundation, and we talk about country spend your time. Set it, you know. You see it. From year one, you know. Watch it flashing, you know. See the man there, spend what you know what going.
So we know mean, no girl can call Mr. Apple. A brand new single that I wrote now, we have to tear down the place. So you get it on iTunes, YouTube, anything you want, get it on. Jonah Fly, Mother Road.
You can't play singing melody against Greg Riser. There's no way you can do that. Cannot play singing melody to match up with Greg Riser. There's no way you can hurt. No time. Big
What's up, man? Hey, sir, you have to catch a flight?
Still there. Yeah, no, we still there, no. The flight leave.
Yeah, man.
Oh, we're real scared.
You're still there. I'm still there.
Yeah, man.
It's still there.
Yo, Justin tell me say you gonna pay for the after flight. In the one believe.
Media. Vision. Roots Media Vision.
Yo, make sure you get your red pants, you know. Red pants, red shirt.
Come for wire. Yeah.
He wants Adele. Justin there, you know. Chua there, you know.
Yo, control.
And the boss too, and the boss.
Moments there, you see it?
Yeah, man.
Live and
Are there any particular songs out there you would like to kill?
Well, yeah, man, enough sound out there, man. Enough sound out there. They have bad sound like our Soul Supreme. If you saw them around, GX not bad like I mean, people tell GX come defend him sound by himself. He's not talented like me. So I say, the man I go with him selector, I must have girlfriend or something, 2 man play a sound again. Just as the president in every residence. Soul Supreme a bad sound, doing their thing in America. And, you know, Firelinks a bad sound, you know. Enough sound. I have enough uprising sound who I push out to and I put in the world to. I want to give them a run the same way. So, you know, Sound Clash is not dead, man. Sound Clash is much alive, you know. So big up to all the people who are put in the work. Yeah.
Alright, so let the fans know what they can expect from Justice Sound in the near future.
Excitement as usual, you know. Excitement as usual. You know, we're not too plan too tough cause, you know. Man, I plan and draw wipe out. And we're just here to do the will of God. That's what I say. Come on, any work you have me for do that, man. Right now I'm in Fort Lauderdale chilling. The Westfield Hotel, University, Broad Boulevard. Had an event here in the park today. Big up iStar Music Production. And big up True Heart, you know. Some of the sounds that were there. Lovely event, you know. So I do God work. When I get to me, I say, hopefulness, righteousness. We don't worry about nothing. I don't want nobody fling me for nothing. I don't want nobody dash me for nothing. For the will of God, I will be there.
True. So you have an event coming up pretty soon, right? A clash?
I have, you know, well, there will be war and rumors of war. I figured you're talking about the event in New York?
Yeah.
Sentinel.
Yeah, I've seen something recently that you're going to be in New York.
Yeah, welcome to New Lads. Well, they say welcome to New Lads, but it's really New York welcoming the president. That's what I say. So it's a big up team of this again, because, you know, like, I try to build rivalry with a lot of sound system, and a lot of them, you know, them spread propaganda and them take them beating and them gone, but you have to respect to Addies and really try to make the rivalry build on a music fashion. You see, so it's a talent of our money. I kill Addies 2 times in Florida, and it would be unfair not to even go to New York and endorse that thing. So they have, and build one little scam thing I talk about welcome to New Lads. But it's not welcome to New Lads, it's New York welcoming the president. So then it's a Sentinel from Germany, Hitler grandson, the German logo. I wonder where him go. In a demo time with the logo. Haven't he heard about the American Ruger? 16 in a magazine, 1 in the head. cock it, press it, everything dead.
Justice the president.
I'm new gun and busting in Spaceman. The sound, that's how it sound. So we say, welcome to Newlands, April 21st, Brooklyn, New York. And then I will be there to endorse the growth of Sound Clash, you know, the fever. Because we can't stop this thing. Dancehall people want it, you know. The fans have want it. If they don't want it, we have to give it to them, you know. So we say big up at this, big up Sentinel. Two of them are going to die. April 21st. Welcome to Newlands, Brooklyn.
I don't know say, justice the president. You're the real president. And then for no run the world, the globe. And then for no as a juvenile. You kill people from you was a child. I want to them, excel black, you know. So now go dead, you know. Jump and get laid, you know. Are the justice sound a play? A judgment in ya. If they make we rise the machine, yeah. Murder son boy up on the scene, yeah. Justice a kill them out. Them get a gunshot in a them out.